farther with it now. Like now she wants to go ahead and put cutting knives
Yeah.
on the ordering menu, ordering list, and oven mitts on the ordering list, and like 6 or 7 other things that she mentioned to me, and I'm like, that's not how that works. And she's like, well, I don't believe that it's very fair that you own the only set of knives in this house to cook. And I'm like, well, Bella, guess what you just did? By stepping outside of the spectrum, you forced yourself to have to use whatever's left. And I told everybody when I first got here, I really didn't feel that comfortable utilizing my knives for the group. Those are $1,800 knives, and they're almost 50 years old.
Yeah.
That's a big deal to me. And there's 2 missing.
Yeah.
You know, like, come on. So she's using Cal's knife, and I'm like, that's cool. She said, we still need another knife in the house. We still need more pots and pans because they're not enough to spread. I said, well, I'm not ordering that stuff. That's not how that works. Now she's trying to take over the ordering. I don't get it. I just don't get it. It's like, it's what Mike said. Mike said it last month, and it was perfect. The people who feel as though they're in the most danger are the ones that are going to step up and just try to shine in front of everybody. You know, like, they're just going to do stuff just to make you say, okay, but it's, at that point in time, like, you know, our minds are pretty much made up.
Yeah.
Like, we're that far in right now where it's, for me, it's just like, eh.
Yeah.
What else can you say to me or do to just change my mind?
Yeah.
Not much. And it sucks.
Yeah.
But she gotta go.
It's tough. I mean, the fact of the matter is that our evolution as human beings is based on our adaptability and our malleability.
Right.
You know, that's how we survive, that's how we evolve. And when somebody isn't evolving, isn't adapting, it doesn't mean like fall in line.
It doesn't.
Like,
it just means that that's not the course that they're following. That,
you know,
they can't
like you
follow
learn
that.
to adapt, like the way Amanda's done, you know, like. And so constantly trying to break that pattern and break out of that, it doesn't help you, you know.
We know by Red.
When you have
Red
nowhere
did
else
that.
to go, when you don't have the option of going to some place where it's easier to like, it really is like adapt or die, you know,
die.
like you have to adapt to survive.
I mean, because like we said, your options here are limited in the sense that you're stuck here or you leave.
Yeah.
You know, like you don't run from it. It's like adapt or be replaced. And we're not forcing it on you, and nobody wants to be the bad guy here. Because that's what I've been made out to be, is the bad guy. Because I have a different agenda, or because I see things differently. I just have like a no BS tolerance. Maybe that's not the greatest thing, you know, because I'm a military guy. I've learned that, you know, I've built up with a lot of structure that, you know, we just don't tolerate certain things. But at the same time, it's like it's not hurting just me, it's hurting the group. It's obvious.
I don't know, it's hard, like, because people need to see the bigger picture. Like, yes, it'd be fucking awesome if we made enough money that we could order organic, non-GMO, whatever for everybody. Wouldn't that be great? Like, and so you have to push in that direction, recognize it's not going to happen overnight, you know, but it doesn't mean that, like, somebody's out to get you or somebody wants to kill you. Like, it's...
Right. You also have to be very careful with the way you use words and who you go after. Because witch hunts in this place is very common, but at the same time, if you don't have anything to support it, it's just that, a witch hunt, you know? Like, you're coming after, and you can't even show me what it is that you're coming after me with.
Yeah.
When Red did that, you know, it's like, where's your facts?
Yeah.
You're gonna tell me that my issue is that I'm cooking too much gluten in every meal, but the first thing that you ordered when you got here was 6 packs of oatmeal cookies where the first ingredient is flour.
Yeah.
And you're still ordering bread, so I can have a little, but I can't have a lot. Dude, we don't even know what kind of sickness some of these people came in here with.
Yeah.
We knew that not everybody was just the healthiest.
Yeah.
So that really bothers me. I'm a guy of facts. I've always been about facts. I asked Bella, I said, hey, we can completely alleviate this situation if you show me your doctor's report.
Yeah.
Just show me what the doctor said. She said the doctor told her that her liver was inflamed, and it was almost twice the size.
I wish they would send people back with that, like with a note.
Like, seriously.
You know?
I would have shut up right then and there and said, okay, you know what? I might need to change
'Cause
something up.
I can go to the doctor for whatever right now and come back and say, like, the doctor says I gotta be sleeping on a normal bed, you guys. Like, drop everything. This is
What
what the doctor
doctor on
says,
God's
you know?
green earth is going to come back and say that you are dying because you're not
You're
eating
eating
organic food?
Yeah.
I mean, she came back preaching the organic gospel, and I was Satan. And I'm just like, what the hell?
Yeah.
Right after I gave her her way. So, gonna be interesting to see how this works out.
Yeah.
I mean, it's still 2 more weeks before we make any type of decision.
Well, probably closer to like 10 days.
What's
Less than
today?
10
The
days.
18th?
What's up? Probably be somewhat similar. Probably just colder at night. Probably. I don't know. It depends on if it's windy or not is the big thing.
Yeah.
Because temperature